Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Plaid to connect your bank for fintech insurance payments, complete guide step by step clearly. To start, navigate to the Fintech app's homepage. Look for the option related to insurance payments. Click on Connect Bank or a similar option. You will be redirected to the Plaid login page. Select your bank from the list provided. If your bank isn't listed, use the search function to find it. Once you've found your bank, click on its name. You will be prompted to enter your online banking credentials. Input your username and password carefully. If your bank uses two-factor authentication, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once verified, Plaid will establish a connection with your bank. You may be asked to select which accounts you want to link. Choose the appropriate accounts for your insurance payments. Confirm your selections and proceed. Review the permissions Plaid will have in accessing your account. If everything looks good, click on the Authorization button. Wait for the connection process to complete. Once connected, you will receive a confirmation message. You are now ready to make insurance payments through the platform. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section of the app. Follow any additional prompts to troubleshoot the connection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.